what is BrightCore? It's a service environment. So how we come to that service environment? It's fit actually in scenarios which are really in front of us. The new bubble. What we are talking all here is energy bubble, which we are expecting and will be $20 trillion. Probably the biggest event in history of mankind. Energy will change and will make new jobs, new businesses, and probably will be cheaper than is today, but we'll use it more. So what really we have in buildings? We have from one side energy and maintenance issues, from other side we have sustainability, comfort, extended lifetime, design. So all that, these are two concepts what we are talking all the time. So money from one side and living from another side. What really is a situation that the majority of the buildings are there, existing. Technology in these buildings are existing. Knowledge exists. We have everything, but we still don't operate those buildings efficiently. We do not use the technology what we have in buildings. Why we do not use the technology? Because it's not communicating efficiently. The communication, but not on a level of just sending information from one point to another, on a level of understanding the languages. I'm speaking English, you are receiving French, most of you. So this is a kind of technology what is a BrightCore. It's basically simultaneous translation of the events in the building to the other languages of the building. That's so how it works. So you have these languages of the building from the left side, like OPC, LON, Modbus, BACnet, KNX. Those buzzwords you will get more and more in the future. And then there is a bright node, these blue boxes, which are actually part of these networks. So they talk the language natively, very natively. They transform it to the universal object infrastructure, and this object store is basically the broker, information broker, which translate that information to the possibility so average ICT person could use it. And this is the key issue. How we can use the information from this building. Problem is, the knowledge is not sitting in one hat. That's the key problem. And we figured out, well, what if we can actually look on a building from the expert side. So if I'm expert for the generators, I really do not care about the all other appliances in the building. So maybe I can manage just the generators, then just the HVAC units, just the chillers. On that way, experts could actually handle efficiently buildings, or expert software, doesn't matter, and we can share their knowledge and have them for very, very low and affordable amounts. So this is about BrightCore, on a way that we use connected infrastructure and we'll build the services. For example, if we think, if we look about AMR applications today, what they do, they put meters inside, they connect meters directly, so they own the meters, they own you as a customer. So why we don't do it in a different way? Put it as a service, so the meters are part of the network. They're supposed to be bidirectional. Anyway, they will be bidirectional, and use that information efficiently, not just, and even have possibility to change the service. Because if the guys are too expensive, we just move to another. Because we buy the meters, they don't mostly provide it. So, or in the same time, use that information in facility management or kind of the business applications. So these, to really use, see the building as a part of the network, not as close structures, which mostly we are seeing today. So the proposition is go to open protocols. For example, we talk a few of them. One of these is Loanworks, which has around 4,500 companies who are producing the hardware. So there is big competition out there. The only way how you can reach that competition and see that those prices get them lower is basically to go to open specifications and to use open protocols. Okay, that's about BrightCore.